Welcome to Technical CAD. So the main motto of this channel is to make you learn AutoCAD for free of cost. First of all, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a 2D drawing software which is used by engineers, construction professionals to create 2D precise drawings. In this first lecture, I will show you how to download AutoCAD 3-year license. So actually it is a student license. We should not use it for our industrial purpose. It is only for our learning purpose. So I will show you that now. First, open your browser and enter into autodesk.in. Autodesk.in. So Autodesk is a company which has more product lines, not only AutoCAD. It deals with Inventor, Fusion 360 and so on, which are very much useful for mechanics. Now select the menu on the right side and now go for downloads. Select free student software. Now you will see a list of free software provided by Autodesk. In this list you can select AutoCAD. It will prompt you for sign in. So if you have an account, you can sign in, otherwise you can create a new account. So what are all the details it will ask is, it will ask for your college credentials because it is a student license. I can sign in using my credentials. So after signing in, it will it's not signed in yet. Yeah, it's signed in. So now you can select the version. So always opt for a updated version because it will have a better options than a previous version. So now go for operating system. So Windows 64, a language I will select English. So now you will get your license details here. Also you will get an email containing the license details. And now go for install. So it will get installed. So I'm not going to install now because I'm already having my own AutoCAD here. So I will open that. That's all about how to install AutoCAD. So if you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section and like the video, share the video and subscribe. Also press the bell icon